Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. Now we're going to design a flyer on Canva, or should I say redesign, because as you can see we already have a template. See, that's one thing with Canva. There are so many templates already on Canva. You just have to search and choose the one you like. But to have a wonderful experience, an unlimited experience, design experience on Canva, you need to have a Canva Pro subscription. And for this particular template, it's in the category of Canva Pro subscription. I have the subscription, that's why I can use it. But then if you don't have Canva Pro subscription, they won't even allow you to use it. And even if you find your way to use it, there's still watermark. You will see there's Canva watermark in some elements. You will find Canva watermark in some elements. So it's good that you have a Canva Pro subscription. It's not expensive. You can get it from me. It's very affordable. All right, so let's go into the design. So today I'm going to redesign this, and we're going to see how to make your own unique. So first of all, I think we'll go with the colors of the elements. As you can see, as I click this particular element, if you observe, there's something, this particular element here, if you observe, it's the same element that is here, but it somehow fade. So that's what is there currently. But then I want to click on this particular background that is maroon. But then as you can see, the picture is on it, and this one too is on it, so it will be hard. So I click on this particular side in order to get it. Yeah, I click here, just here where the arrow is pointing. That's where I click. So if I click there, exactly where the dot is, you click there. So you see, now I want to change the color of this. So I will run through. As you can see, to change the color is already written here. Color is already written here. So you just click on it and you find your way. Let's see, I'm not that good with colors. Let's see which color we're going to get here. Okay, yeah, I think this will be good. Oh, I think we should do something first. Let's get the picture into Canva. So this is how to get your picture. Where the arrow is pointing, gallery, it is either use that place or you use uploads, the one at the corner here. It's either you use this one or the other one. So let's get onto it. Gallery, you'll be able to access your pictures directly from your phone gallery, without having to upload it into Canva. When you use upload, you will have to, now you see, you will have to upload files like it's written here. So when it's upload, you click here. Yeah. So let's go. Let's use gallery instead, so that will be fast. So now I chose this picture, this particular picture, and then I've added it to the page. Or better still, we could have just tapped on this picture and then replace instead. We'll choose this replace. When you choose replace, the picture you select will automatically change. It will this particular one will change to the one you select. You get, but then it will remove the background automatically. But I want to remove background, that's why I'm doing it gradually so that you understand. Okay, let's try it again. Add to page. Yes. Our picture is here. Our picture has a background. Let's delete this one. Delete. So now our picture has a background, so it won't fit. It can't fit here. So how do we remove background? You can either remove background from the web internet, or Canva has remove background feature, and it's very good. And again, you can't use the remove background feature without, or remove background tool without Canva Pro subscription. You have to have a Canva Pro subscription to be able to use Canva, to be able to use remove background. So now, where do we find remove background? It's very simple. You can find remove background here on effects. The place the arrow is pointing, you can find remove background there. So let's go there. Okay. Canva is this network, so now you can see remove BG remover is the first option here. There's magic eraser, there's magic grab. All this one, they call it magic studio. They call it magic studio. So in order to save time, let's just go background remover. See, it's loading. Now we have a perfect picture. All right. Yeah. Okay, so this picture is somehow dark, so we're going to dress it. We're going to do some 1 or 2 adjustments. So we come to adjust. You can auto adjust, you can do the temperature, the tints, but we're looking for brightness. So you toggle it left to increase the brightness, or right. So we increase the brightness, we toggle it here. All right, so let's play with the contrast also. No. All right, shadows. Yeah. So you see, okay, the blacks. Oh no, we'll just leave this one like this and we're good. So you see, we played with the brightness, the contrast, and the shadow. So now let's compare our picture and see what we have. As you can see, there's a difference. This one is brighter than this one. You see? So we have a good picture here. Let's delete this. All right, so our picture is set and ready. So since we already have this color, this one, since we already have this color, I think we should make this same with the cap. This rectangle that is here, this shape, we make the color same as the cap. So we click on color, don't forget the color is here. Now in order to get, if you click on color, you will have a color palette according to all the colors that are on the design. But if the color you are looking for is not here, then you click here. you click on this plus, this first option here where the arrow is pointing. You click there, in order to choose your own color. You will see a color hue. Yes, a color hue. You can toggle the way I did recently, not too long. So but if you scroll down, you'll see the photo colors. So these photo colors, every picture, every element in this design, as you can see, this is the background. The first one we have here, that's one beautiful thing with Canva. It gives you multiple choice of colors. The first thing here where the arrow is pointing is the color of the background. Then the second one, as we can see, is the balloons. So you have the colors that are in the balloons here. All these ones here, they are the colors in the balloons. And finally we have the color, the picture of the person. We have the picture of the person. As you can see, the colors are here. So we'll have to choose. Now, according to what we have here, I think the closest color to the cap is this or this. Oh, let's go with this jacket. I think we're getting a blend. Okay. Now this happy birthday, we'll change the color to make it dark. Make it black. Let's make it black. Yep. And then for the name, let's write a name.